Hi, my name is Carrie Wells, and this is my bank app. Here's how I designed it. This is the front page. It has the welcome message that was required. It says access your online bank account. Here's my navigation bar. The first tab is create account. When I click on that, it highlights in red. I'm able to enter just my name. If I hit create account, it says missing email, please try again. If I put in my email without a password, which will say password must be at least 8 characters long. If I enter a password that is the correct number of characters, create account, I could add another account. I cannot click this button when I do not have information provided. And if I do provide an email address without my name and a password, it says I'm missing name and to please try again. On the deposit page, the welcome message does include my name. It shows a current balance of $100. It will not let me deposit anything unless I put an amount. It does say success, make another deposit. I could click on that. It shows the current balance and I could add in an additional deposit. On the next tab, again, notice it's highlighted red. It does show the current balance of $5,100. If I try to click withdraw without an amount, nothing happens. If I withdraw a reasonable amount, I can do so successfully. It shows the new balance. If I put an unreasonable amount, I get a message that says transaction failed, withdrawal amount cannot exceed current balance. If I go to all data, I can see that I registered a new user. I do have one that comes in there automatically that says sample, just to show the format. And with each new user, it will be added to this data. In terms of what challenges did I encounter, I'm an educator, and when I complete large assignments or I am planning for my students, I always try to perform a task analysis. So I think the biggest challenge was just looking at this in the entirety of this project and analyzing how could I complete each component? What does it look like? I do have a wonderful mentor who helps me when I'm really stuck. So it was nice to be able to talk through certain portions with someone else who is experienced in this field to kind of gain more knowledge about how this is done in the real world. Some design decisions from the starter code. I did make this wider so that each field could be a little bit wider if they're longer email addresses, longer passwords, so the data would display nicely on the all data tab. So that was one decision. Another decision was I created my own bank graphic here just to personalize it. I did rename it with my last name. I liked this color combination. It was actually called Danger, which I thought was sort of funny. I did create forms in order to be able to generate this information. And what extra features did I have? Making this red when it highlights was an additional feature. I both looked up how to do that and had a little help from a friend as well, just to make sure I was doing it all correctly. And I think that really demonstrates all of the features of my app. Thank you so much.